Okay, hi you guys. Wait, why did I do all of this? Okay, take my glasses off. Alright, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be basically a clean my car with me. I did end up going to Target, so of course I always end up at Target, and I basically got some stuff to clean the car with. My car is pretty dirty. That's because like I only clean it every once in a while. I would like to clean it all the time, but things just get real busy. So what I got from Target is I got some protectant wipes, and then I also got some glass cleaner as well. Oh, and then I got a scrubber. I need to get a scrubber because basically, wait, does it spray? Okay, it does. It still sprays. Basically I needed to scrub these dirty ass seats here, and I still have some of this. Basically it had an attachment on it. That attachment broke, and I just needed a real scrubber so I can really scrub my car really good. So basically you'll be watching me clean my car today, and you'll be joining me do that. I got the glass cleaner because my glass on the inside, it rains a lot here in Washington, so I always need to basically clean my windows. I know that's for the inside, but my car does, I mean, I like heat, so like, and then I leave my windows cracked, and then the water gets on the inside, and it's just a hot ass mess. So basically we'll be cleaning my car today. I'm basically opening these packs. I always get confused, like, is it supposed to go from the outside? That's what it's doing today. Yes, grandma parked right next to me. That's not always the case. I am gonna take my jacket off, and I put basically anything I don't want to get dust on it while I'm cleaning. I'll put it in my trunk. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to start cleaning here, and then I'm just going to speed up the other things. This is for glass, and I'm cleaning my freaking wheel with it. Great, Jasmine. Great. So let's go ahead and take this stuff out. Did I buy a small thing? No, because I knew I was getting one from them. Yes, I just got my car washed from Brown Bear, and I took one of these. I was like, I thought I bought an air freshener, but I'm sitting there thinking, why would I do that when I know I'm about to go to freaking, I know I'm about to freaking clean my car out, and I'm about to get it washed. That's free right there. These are already open. Why were those not open? Did I open both? No, I didn't. Okay, that's awkward. I hope these things are still good. And I can't get this thing off. Oh my god. I'm just trying to open this. Okay. So we have that. So I have those two things open. I think I should start by getting all the trash out of my car. So we'll basically just do that. I think I should prop you up, and I am gonna prop you up so that, so I know this can move, right? Yeah, that can totally move. So I'm just gonna prop you up on here. Well, I guess I need to make it still first. know what people be doing in the back, but that's what my back be looking like. Freaking dusty.
I admit it, I be tripping about this small shit. It's the drugs, what you call it. Say you don't trust me, but what is the point of all it? Say I'm tripping.
Okay, we're finally done cleaning out the car, and I want to thank you for joining me on this vlog here. Vlog, it's supposed to be a vlog. Basically I just really need to clean out my car, so I vacuumed, I scrubbed my seats down and vacuumed my seats. I wiped down the front here and the sides just because I feel like it needed to start over. I haven't deep cleaned my car since like this, since let's say about a good 3 years. Yes, I am breaking out because I'm out here in this element and I really need to do like a deep mask. These type of videos for me, please let me know by making a comment down below, and at the end of this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.